Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build custom animations in QML for buttons. These animations are almost similar to those in CSS, and in the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to like make your own custom buttons with your custom animations. For example, this is a plain button. On hover, if you see the color is changing, and there is a little shadowy effect around the border, and if you click on it, the signal is handled, right. This is a pulsing button with infinite animation loop. This is a sliding button, like if you hover on it, the background fills from right to left. You can change the direction anyhow, right, from top to bottom, left to right, or diagonally. And this is a confetti button. If you click on it, like some particles will be emitted. I hope that's visible, right. So this is using the particle system and emitter of QML. This is a neon button. There's a glowy effect and a glowy border. And this is a border button. If you observe carefully, the border expands and there is a shadowy element around it. This is a submit button. This is quite useful in like projects where you click on submit and some process is going on, and till it completes, there is a background notification. Like if you see, the background becomes gray, and when it finally completes, you get a checkbox or a tick or any other symbol like to show that it's complete, right? So I'll show you like how to implement all of these buttons in a later video. These are very simple animations. It's easier than in CSS. Like it's easier to animate this in QML compared to that in CSS. The properties are very simple. So yeah, that's that. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.